In today's exercise, we're going to do a row with a hammer strength machine, all right? So when it comes to this exercise, it's a great exercise that hits up the rhomboids and also the rear delts and the biceps. Now, when it comes to the seat adjustment, when you're sitting onto the machine, make sure it's right here, like right here where the heart is, stomach is. You don't want it too low where your chest is, because if it's too low and it's pressing against your chest and then you're pulling, it's going to be really hard to breathe, okay? So you want to put it right in the middle, like right here near the sternum, okay? Not directly onto the chest. Now, when doing the exercise, there's multiple ways you could do it. You could either do both ways like this. And as you can see, I have my shoulders rolled back, my chest out, okay? And if I put onto the program single arm rows, okay? This is when you take your free hand, you're gonna put it right here into the handle. You're gonna hold on like that. Remember, roll your shoulders back, keep your chest up, suck in the belly. Just because you're sitting on the machine doesn't mean you get too relaxed, okay? And same thing, just like that. And as you can see, while I'm performing the row, I'm keeping my elbow in, all right, close to my body, all right? Just like that. They do have different grip variations, so you could go like this as well. But I personally don't like using that side grip because for me, I feel tension in my wrist, all right? And sometimes I get tension in the elbow from doing it, okay? I know it's there. You could do it if you like, but if you start feeling tension, I would highly recommend just go ahead, grab it from this grip and go like that, okay? And that's how you do a row with a hammer strength.